Good morning, students. I, myself, Dr. V.P. Kadam, Associate Professor, Department of Botany, KTHM College, Nasik. Today we are going to learn the chapter Computational Botany. And today's topic is Introduction to the syllabus of Computational Botany. Structure of TY Botany syllabus. Theory papers. Semester 3rd, 6 theory papers are there, and semester 4th, again 6 theory papers. For semester 3rd, cryptogamic botany, cell and molecular biology, genetics and evolution, spermatophyta and paleobotany, horticulture and floriculture, and number 6 is computational botany. Semester 4th, plant physiology and biochemistry, plant ecology and biodiversity, plant pathology, medicinal and economic botany, plant biotechnology, plant breeding and seed technology. Students, I am going to teach you the computational botany for semester 3rd and plant physiology and biochemistry for semester 4th. Practical based on theory courses. Practical papers are yearly. So in one practical, 4 theory papers based on the practicals of 4 theory papers are included. Practical first, its code number is BO347. It contained cryptogamic botany, cell and molecular biology, plant physiology and biochemistry, and plant biotechnology are the best on these 4 theory papers. The practicals are included in practical paper first. Practical paper second, its code number is BO348, and in this practical, based on these 4 theory papers, the practicals are included. First, genetics and evolution, spermatophyta and paleobotany, plant ecology and biodiversity, plant breeding and seed technology. And practical number 3, its code number is BO349. It's included the based on these 4 theory papers practicals. Horticulture and floriculture, computational botany, plant pathology, and medicinal and economic botany. Students, now we are going to learn the detailed syllabus of computational botany. Paper number 6, its code number is BO336. Chapter first, Introduction to Biostatistics, and it's included definition, statistical terms, population, sample, primary and secondary data, qualitative and quantitative data, parameter and statistics, attributes, variables, discrete and continuous variables, statistical error, linear and non-linear functions of statistics, frequency, and its distribution, scope, applications, and uses of biostatistics. Chapter number 2, Sample and Sampling, for 4 lectures. It includes definition, sampling unit, sample and population, types of sampling, random sampling, with replicates, without replicates, systematic sampling, and stratified sampling. Non-random sampling, purpose, quota sampling, need of randomness, achieving randomness, lottery methods, use of random number table, merits and limitations of sampling. Chapter number 3, collection and representation of data. What is for this chapter is 5 lectures. Classification of data, meaning and need of classification, objectives of classification, classification according to class interval, overlapping and non-overlapping frequency table, methods of representation of statistical data, essential features of tabular presentation, advantages of tabular presentation, graphical representation of data and its advantages, types of graphic representation, histogram, frequency polygon, frequency curve, scattered or dot diagram, merits and limitations of graphical representation of data, diagrammatic representation of data, line diagram, bar diagram, and pie diagram. Chapter number 4, measures of central tendency of grouped and ungrouped data, for 4 lectures. It includes simple arithmetic mean, its merits and limitations, advantages of position, median and mode, their merits and limitations. Chapter number 5, measures of dispersion, for 4 lectures, having meaning of dispersion, range, computation in individual, discrete and continuous series, coefficient of range, merits and limitations, mean deviation and standard deviation, computation for grouped and ungrouped data, merits and limitations, variance, definition, coefficient of variance. Chapter number 6, correlation and regression, for 4 lectures. Definition and types of correlation, coefficient of correlation and its properties, methods of studying correlation, scatter diagram and Carl-Pearson's coefficient of correlation, coefficient of determination, a regression analysis, definition and types of regression, linear regression. Chapter number 7, probability and types of theoretical probability distribution, for 4 lectures. It includes concept of probability, binomial distribution, Poisson distribution and normal distribution. Normal distribution curve, relationship between normal curve area and standard deviation, properties of normal distribution curve, Chapter number 8, Test of Significance of Mean. For 4 lectures. It includes introduction, statistics and its standard error, meaning of statistical hypothesis, level of significance, null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. Students t-test, unpaired and paired test, x-square test as a test of goodness of fit and its significance. Chapter number 9, Computation of seed testing and plant growth indices, for 10 lectures, having seed germination and early seedling growth, germination percentage, mean germination time, germination index, germination speed and vigor index. Seed germination and early seedling growth under stress, promptness index, germination stress tolerance index, plant height stress tolerance index, root length stress tolerance index and dry matter stress tolerance index. Plant growth indices, absolute growth rate, crop growth rate, relative growth rate and leaf area index. Chapter number 10, Analysis of data on vegetation studies, for 6 lectures, having data obtained from coordinates and transect methods, frequency or set frequency, relative frequency, density, relative density, abundance and dominance. Computation of crop vegetation biomass using satellite data, simple ratio or ratio vegetation index, difference vegetation index and normalized difference vegetation index or greenness index. Thank you.